Happy Diwali to everyone. Happy Children's Day. What a coincidence that we are having. This Diwali is again a Children's Day. बचपना कितना बहुत बेहतरीन होता है. बच्चे लोग बहुत मस्ती करते हैं, वहां यहाँ भागते हैं. चिल्ड्रंस डे और दिवाली दोनों आते हैं तो इट्स लाइक सोने पे सुहागा. So today to have with us to the chat with Champ show, we have wonderful champions, the champions who are going to speak about their childhood days. So we have with us Wing Commander S. Balasubramaniam sir from Air Force. We have Lieutenant Commodore Saab Vivek Kulkarni sir from Indian Navy, and we have Colonel Amar Bidra sir from Indian Army. What a beautiful combination that we have. आई थिंक बचपना अगर बात करें तो डिफेंस फोर्स के साथ बात करें. डिसिप्लिन क्या होती है? आई थिंक बचपन में डिसिप्लिन आपने काफी कुछ तोड़े होंगे, फिर बाद में आपने जोड़े होंगे. और ये दिवाली जो है चैट विद चैम्प के साथ हम लोग कर रहे हैं. काफी चैंपियंस हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगे और आपको वेलकम भी करना है. इसके लिए वेलकम करने के लिए वी रन दिस चैट विद चैम्प शो. सो हियर इज अ वेलकमिंग चैट विद चैम्प. दिवाली की बात है और दिया ना हो कैसा हो सकता है. सो दिस इज हैप्पी दिवाली वर्चुअल दिवाली ब्लेसिंग्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू. दियास मेड फ्रॉम आवर विमेन डेवलपमेंट सेंटर फ्रॉम आईडीएफ. कैप्टन सर, दीपावली हम बचपन और दोनों कैसे हो सकता है? आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज टेक इट फॉरवर्ड. हमारे चैंपियंस अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड आर ईगरली वेटिंग टू लिसन टू यू ऑल थ्री. वंडरफुल त्रिमूर्ति वी कैन से. ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश तीनों एक साथ आ गए हैं.
Namaskar. I'm wishing you a happy Diwali to all of you once again. And may this Diwali bring back good times and happiness in your lives and the lives of those who are close to you, loved and dear ones. As we're celebrating Diwali, I must tell you, in the Air Force, I have dropped bombs, big bombs. But when Diwali comes close nearby, I go back to my childhood. Because that was real Diwali. That was a bomb we enjoyed exploding. ये दिवाली थोड़ी अलग हो गई है. आजकल के दिवाली क्या है? आपने बोनस दिया, आपने घर वालों को ड्राई फ्रूट दिया या व्हाट्सएप में मैसेज दिया. लेकिन in my days it was मिट्टी का दिया, and lighting the diya and putting on a roof was such a thrilling experience. Such an experience it was. And any day I can say that the approach of a Diwali was probably the best times in our lives. Vivek?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, carry on.
Yeah, okay. It's a big coincidence this time that Diwali and 14th is on the same day. Because I remember when I was small in class 1 or 2, I was in Delhi. And on 14th, that time, Chacha Nehru invited everybody, all children from schools. We spent the whole day in the compound of Teen Murti House, and he used to come personally and distribute sweets. So I have a memory of that in my when I was about 7 years old. We used to go to this Chacha Nehru's party on 14th, and what a coincidence that today this is Diwali and 14th both on the same day. However, I'd take you back to my earlier days, when I was about 4.5 years old. That time, I was put into a nursery school, which was in a sort of a bungalow, where the lady who was a teacher used to breed German Shepherd dogs, So the teacher was always complaining to my mother that this boy is never sitting in the class. He's always running out and he's playing with those dogs. And there were 3 big dogs, and this little fellow was amongst them playing with them. So she finally got fed up with me. She said, on his birthday, I'm going to gift him one German Shepherd pup. So I was given a year later, about when I was close to 6 years, I was given a German Shepherd pup. And of course, you know how fast they grow. Within 6 months, it was almost fully grown. And we had named her Lizzie. So that time, my father was posted in Pune. And for Diwali, one day before Diwali, we all went to shop for patakas. And there in the market, she was of course not on a leash. In the market, somebody burst a firecracker very close to us. And before we could look out, she had disappeared, the dog. And we couldn't find her anywhere. So we thought that she's been stolen. And of course, we lodged a police complaint and everything. And I was so distraught that I threw away my patakas and we came crying home, And then that night, there was no dog. So there was next day, no dog. Of course, my mother lit diyas and there was no Diwali celebration in our house because the dog had become like a part of our house by then. And after 3 days, the dog, she came on her own. She was only 6 months old. She came limping from somewhere. She had been hiding somewhere in the market for 3 days without food and anything. And she was bitten by some other dogs. And she somehow found her way about 6 kilometers away from Main Street all the way to camp. And that's when I decided that I am not going to ever burst crackers in my life. And whatever money I should get for the crackers, I has to distribute that money to some watchman or some poor people. And that lit up their faces so much. That was like a Diwali light for me. And that is my oldest experience. And then as I grew older and when I had my own children, I tried to inculcate the same thing. And whatever money they had was spared for the Diwali, they used to give it away. Only a small amount, they said, okay, something, you have to give us something. So we used to give them only those puljaris, 2, 3, 1 packet of puljaris, and the rest was distributed to the servants and watchmen and anybody whom they wanted to give it. So I think seeing the light up on the poor people's faces who can't afford to celebrate Diwali is more of a pleasure than bursting crackers. And today the government has taken a wise decision that to ban crackers, which of course is good for the pollution. Not only that, it's just a waste of money, burning up all that money. And of course, there's innumerable amount of burns and deaths take place on Diwali for small children, which can be avoided. And that's I would like to put take this message forward that you all champions should encourage the future generations not to waste money on crackers. Instead, light up the lives of somebody else who can't afford to spend so much of money. And this could be a biggest celebration. Of course, I have something more to tell you. I'll discuss it later on, after Colonel Bindra has given his experiences.
Wonderful message, wonderful message, wonderful message. Colonel Saab, of course, we are also eagerly waiting to hear you on the journey of childhood days, Diwali and things like that. Yes, sir.
So that's a wonderful story from Vivek, and the story of how he could connect, how transform, how he could get a special meaning of Diwali. So coming back to this, Diwali is famous for sales. And today you have a wonderful sales champ. You have a 1+1 free, that is Children's Day free with Diwali or Diwali free with Children's Day. You also have an amalgamation of 3-in-1, 3 Murti, like Dr. Narayan said. You have the Air Force, Army, and the Navy combined here. You also have a national integration coming up here. This Sardar is from North India. Vivek is from West India, from Dharwad and Goa. And Bala sir is from South India. So you have a wonderful combination of a labyrinth of colors coming out. So you don't have to have crackers to have colors. And the colors are in the spirit that you can celebrate with. Going back to my own childhood, I belong to a very laid back, those days very laid back town, and now the suicide capital of the country, called Kota in Rajasthan. Why it has become suicide capital is another story, another time. But I go back to that simple ways of a joint family. 2 uncles, that means my uncle and our family, staying in neighboring houses nearby. And Diwali was one time which used to look forward to celebrate together. And a wonderful lesson again in national integration. 5, 6 years old, a combination of 3 kinds of tradition: the Hindu tradition, the Rajasthani tradition, and the Sardar Sikh religion traditions. So one a very amusing tradition we had is that the youngest child, that was me, I had 3 real sisters, elder sisters, and 3 cousins, my uncle's daughters. 6 of them have to do shopping from my shop. So in Punjab, we call it hatti. Hatti means shop. So the little boy has to establish a hatti. Now, hatti is a mud structure which is made like what we call today, where the diyas are made, they make a small temple. But this hatti is multi-story. You know, it has like caves inside it. It has a structure of about 3 feet by 2 feet kind of structure. And it is put somewhere in the corner of the house. But when the house is whitewashed every Diwali, this hatti is also brought out. And like an excited child, I used to be carrying my hatti to the whitewashing team and getting it whitewashed. When it's whitewashed and the diyas are lit up everywhere, like my earlier speakers friends have said, there were no lights that time. We used to light up the beautiful hatti, and my sisters used to help me. And then they used to play the game. They used to give me things which I could sell at that shop. Now, this is very interesting. Now, the person who's buying from me has to bargain to pay me the least. And I have to be the best pujari of goddess Lakshmi on Diwali day by earning maximum money by selling my goods. Now, that's the first business I learned. And who would help me? The rest of the crowd. They would speak for me because I was just about 5 years old. They would speak for me. No, this banana is worth those days 2 rupees or 1 rupee. Otherwise, there used to be paisa. So here is the thought where the music was in the bargaining. It all is about passion which grew up with us, and when we went to NDA, 28th NDA and 44th NDA, the 2 courses are here today. Passion takes its shape very early in childhood. It could be in Diwali, it could be in what Vivek has said already about converting your wasteful expenditure into a meaningful expenditure. So little champ for champs of ideas. 3 things. A, setting high standards. Whatever you do, like IDF just introduced the concept of refund of leprosy, or it could be celebration of Diwali. Right in childhood itself, we learned how to set high standards in Diwali. There were no broadcasts about safety, but we were told how to. Our passion was to fire a bomb from the hand. So we had special improvised sticks, dandas. उनके आगे प्रॉपर अलग अलग साइड से छेद होते थे. उसके ऊपर वो बॉम्ब को लगा के दूर से फायर करने का. But setting high standards of safety, then 10%. You would hold that. You would be tired of firing and people would be calling you, but there would be no sleep, there was no rest. It's Diwali time. And if there is a problem, the third thing is never say die. 3 things. Setting high standards, CPC is 10%, and never say die. We'll come back to these 3 thoughts as applicable to present time. Once again, over to Bala.
Hi, amazing story by both these people, Colonel Bindra and Lieutenant Commander Kulkarni. Amazing stories, great learning, and I'm sure people will imbibe a lot from your story. Now, my childhood was slightly different. We did light up crackers, we did eat sweets, but there was a little difference from the world today. We grew in a locality, there were about 50, 70 families, slightly well off to very poor, including the sweepers and the peons. We lived as one big family. Some people had more, some people had left, but we joined together, and for Diwali, it was one big family. We celebrated Diwali as one big family. We hear a big word called oneness nowadays. We saw oneness in a big time as a child. It was nothing like me and you. It was not your family and my family. It was the 70 families was one family. Whatever I had was yours. What you had was mine. That is it. We shared everything that we had. And that happiness of sharing was something, it was amazing. And I'm glad I joined the Air Force because we continued the tradition in the Air Force. We realized because my life is in your hand. Your life is in my hand. What more do you want? We lived together. We fought together. Some of us died. Some of us lived. But it has closeness and oneness continued. And it was an awesome life. And I feel bad that some of the people now, the children now, do not get to experience that kind of a lifestyle. It was awesome. So starting from the Diwali, now South Indians celebrate Diwali early in the morning. Okay, about 4:35 we get up. We have a nice oil bath. Mom gives a nice oil bath, some herbs and all that. And When you have a bath, you wear new clothes. Dad puts on some sindoor or vermilion on the clothes, and you wear it, do a namaskaram or shashtang namaskar to parents, and go out to light. Now the whole 70 families, at least the children, people with children, would get up because it was our Diwali. They would join in our Diwali early in the morning. And likewise, we were very lucky to celebrate Diwali twice a day because we would celebrate Diwali again in the evening. It was awesome. Thank you.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
Yeah.
Perfect national integration that we have. You have spoken, sir. All are there. East, West. JK to KK.
Yes.
JK to KK. All are there, and you shared your wonderful childhood memories. I'm sure आजकल भी लोग पहले तो कांच तो रखते थे ना, कांच की खिड़कियां होती थी, हम लोग क्रिकेट खेल के कहीं तोड़ देते, तोड़फोड़ होता था, मजा करना बहुत पसंद होता था, राइट? आपने कभी कहीं खिड़की वगैरह तोड़े हैं किसी के क्रिकेट खेलते हुए? You have done those mischief. I'm sure you would have done, because नहीं तो बच्चे बच्चे नहीं रहेंगे ना, बच्चे कहलाने के लिए शरारत होती है. कैप्टन सर, आपने तो बहुत शरारत की होगी बचपन में.
We have done a lot of mischief in the National Defence Academy, and all three of us are from the National Defence Academy.
Okay, now that you asked me, we have done a lot of badmashi. We have broken windows. We have stolen wooden crates to burn for Holi. We have stolen guavas and lychees, everything we have done. So that was the lifestyle I led. But badmashi was a part of my life. My brother, sisters even now laugh. But it was good fun. Everything was taken in a good stride, like, you know. Yes, we did.
Yes, sir. Vivek, sir.
Vivek, yeah.
Yeah, of course, badmashi we all did in the National Defence Academy, and we did it together to such an extent that we got punished very badly, and we still remember those days. And because of that punishment, we still feel so together that even today we have contact with our batchmates and people up and down here. After 40, 50 years also, we remember those people, and very fondly we get together. That's all courtesy the badmashi we did at that time. And I would also like to give another message, that a lot of students today get pressurized to, we're coming to quota, that why the suicide capital? Because a lot of students get pressurized to go into professions, which their parents push them, or because of peer pressure, they are feel that will get them a good job. It's not just because they like it or have any aptitude for it. A lot of students today, even pilots, they go into becoming a pilot thinking it's a very grand and glorious job, but without having any love for flying. I want to tell all of them that please do what you really love to do, not because of you are getting pressurized, or because your friends or your parents or your uncles or aunts are telling you that's a good profession. But whether it pays well or doesn't pay well, if you should like it first before going into that profession. And I'm sure that all three of us, we loved our profession. And right from childhood, I wanted to be a pilot. And I went a little because of my parents not wanting me to be a pilot. I had to do a devious way of getting to be a pilot. I joined the Navy, and then from the Navy, I became a pilot. Over to Bindra.
Yeah, the British always say once a Pongo is always a Pongo. And that is where, childhood, Pongo is an army or an armed forces guy. So yes, my naughtiness started with my appearing for NDA exam. I didn't know where to get the UPSC form and all. It had a passion that I want to be on my own feet, and I still love this job. Incidentally, champs, Defense Forces till day remains 100% volunteer force. It's completely a horse who wants to drink the water. Nobody takes this horse to the water. And you are in Pongo as long as you are a willing horse to yourself. There is no pay which draws you. There are no facilities which draws you. There is no security which draws you. It's only a passion which draws you. So starting off with my own journey and being very naughty, I stood in the Jawan's line to get the UPSC form. I didn't know how to get the UPSC form. And there is a recruiting office in Kota near the hospital where everybody goes for a recruiting office form. And there I got my form. I got the 28 rupees postal order myself and forged my own father's signature on the NDA form. MM Singh, simple signature. Manmohan Singh, same famous man. That was not my father, but yes, my father had the same name. And when I got selected for NDA, then I informed my father that my father was in Burma. He was a businessman, and he had come over, and I told him I got selected for NDA. Should I join it? My father has a good sense of humor, a typical old-timer sense of humor. He says, son, it's like entering a room and asking, may I come in? So, I have no choice. You already come into the room. Now, don't ask me. This mischief continued in the sense that it was a very constructive mischief, but sometimes we went overboard in Indigo. I connect with another festival called Holi. And somehow, on Holi Day, a father and his young daughter walked into around our squadron area. And the cadets, who wouldn't even see a female crow or a female cow for miles together, suddenly saw a live young girl there in front of them, and they all ran to put colors. And by the time the ustads came, the duty officer came and all, that was within 3 or 4 minutes. We were all sent back to our cabins. But what was the beauty? All the color was on the daughter, and the father was absolutely untouched. How very nice on our part. So, all these festivals were a great time to connect, and I would continue the story. Over back to Dr. Narayan.
Yes, sir. कहते हैं ना कि बचपन का जमाना होता था, खुशियों का खजाना होता था, चाहत चांद को पाने की, दिल तितली का दीवाना होता था। खबर न थी कुछ सुबह की, खबर न थी कुछ सुबह की, ना शामों का ठिकाना होता था। थक हार के आना स्कूल से, पर खेलने भी जाना होता था।
बिल्कुल होता था,
लेकिन फिर से खेलने जाना होता था। इस तरह से काफी बड़ी ये एक कविता है, बहुत ही और आई थिंक ये एक बचपना, आई थिंक जब मैं कैप्टन बाला सर से बात करता था, ही यूज्ड टू से दैट you feel that I have grown old, I am still a child now. That child is in me even today.
The trick, Prakash, the trick is to stay in the company of children. Spend as much time with younger crowd. You stay young and never think you're old. You carry on doing whatever you were doing yesterday, last year, 10 years ago. Just carry on doing. You will continue to do it.
So how do you keep your pricks and pranks even at this age, sir?
Say again?
How do you keep up your pricks and pranks? आपका pranks कैसे रखते हैं? How do you keep your pranks? Do you still do your pranks at this age?
I learned it from my mother. My mother was an extraordinary lady. Even when she was 60, 65, when I would be reading a book, she would come and pour a bucket of cold water on my head. Can you believe it? She was such fun, such fun. Amazing cook, awesome capabilities, amazing guts, courage was out of this world, and full of pranks. All the time she would do this. And probably I've been by part of their capabilities. Yep. And I like the word Colonel has used, one word he used, passion. Which is an amazing word. Because without passion, you cannot reach anywhere. You want to do well, you got to have passion in the subject. Colonel, thank you. That was an amazing, awesome word.
Yeah, I totally agree with Colonel Amar's saying that to join the defense services, you really require passion, because I know for him, with his educational qualifications, being an engineer and a master's in engineers and MBA, he could have easily joined from the other quota schools into the IITs. But instead, he chose to join the National Defense Academy and join the army. So that really requires passion and not for money.
So when the champs want to do voluntary work, when the champs want to do a voluntary work for IDF, they go out to the schools and the colleges. They are not always welcome, but the force which drives them is passion. So how do they decipher that passion? First of all, they have to work out for themselves what motivates them. And that they have to set high standards. If music motivates you, you have to understand what is the latest standard of music. If social work motivates you, it is not khana purti. Just go and do something, something, something. You have to have goals. Champs have to have goals, time-bound goals. And to do that, it is 100%. Give yourself 100%. Diwangi honi chahiye, parwangi honi chahiye. Setbacks honge, constraints aayenge. Problems आएगी, COVID है, social distancing है, but then bounce back. Look beyond constraint. So I call it the passion triangle. Passion lies in the center. What lies on top is setting high standards, your benchmarks. You're raising the bar. And on the right side lies CPC, 100% effort, sacrifice for your passion. And on the left side lies NSD, never say die, bounce back. Without this, passion only becomes a fashion. So let's not make champs, don't make passion into a fashion. And passion without compassion is actually a fashion. So bring compassion for people whom you're targeting. And Diwali is a great time to show passion and compassion. Back to Dr. Narayan.
Wow, sir, wow.
Okay,
Passion
just a
की
minute,
बात है.
please. I would like to introduce a gentleman who's a unique combination of passion and compassion. Okay, I present Dr. Narayan Iyer to you. This gentleman, listen to me. Just have patience. Listen to me. He's from a very, very average economical background family. They lived very, very bigger resources. This man, who was a boy then, okay, he didn't have money to pay fees for school and college. He used to study, he used to be taking tuition in the evening to pay for his fees. And one day, the president, who's about 97 now, Dr. Pillai, he wanted a boy to help him with his work. And the boy concerned did not come. Somebody called Dr. Narayan, who was a schoolboy, and put him in front of him. From that day, the fate of IDF changed. The fate of Indian compassionate scene changed. Now, this boy, he grew up in IDF. He carried on working as a student volunteer, no income. He used to take tuition in the evening. At night, he would take the notes of other students and study at night. So college did not give him permission to appear for exams because he didn't have the attendance marked for him. So the principal said, "Where are you?" He said, "Sir, please come." So principal came to IDF office one day and he saw what Prakash was doing. He said, "Please, you're God, please carry on doing and I will give you all the clearances." This man finished his PhD. He had a huge list of offerings. He did not join anybody. He joined IDF back as the CEO of IDF. He's the backbone, he's the brain, he's everything. During Corona, COVID, people were hiding in their homes. This man was in the slums and he has personally stood there and fed thousands and thousands of those people who are without jobs. I can carry on and on. Someday we will more talk about him. But him and our president, Dr. Pillai, they are gods for me. He's much younger than me. My daughter is as old as him. But I feel they're gods on earth. Amazing people. Amazing people. Yep.
सर थैंक यू सर. ऐसा लग रहा है कि कोई परमवीर चक्र अवार्ड मिल गया आपके बातें सुन करके.
मैंने सच बोला ना, मैंने सच बोला आपके लिए.
सर मैं सच का साथ देता हूँ और हमेशा आप सच ही बोलते हैं. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आपके इस दो शब्द को सुन करके. आई एम श्योर वी विल सर्टेनली वर्क हार्ड. जैसे कर्नल साहब ने बताया कि पैशन, सो जो कठिनाई थी, आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, जिस दिया है, हमारे घर में दिया होते थे लेकिन उसमें डालने के लिए तेल नहीं होता था. वी हैव टू गो टू समबडी एल्सेस हाउस, किसी के घर में जाकर के तेल लेकर के आना. बट दैट वाज रियली फन था. But my mother, during my 7th standard, she said, she also put me into a municipal medium, Hindi medium background. Well, education पाना है, language doesn't matter. You keep studying. So the mantra that she gave me, that PhD in life is very important. Without PhD, you cannot be successful in life. So what she meant PhD was passion, hunger, and discipline.
Absolutely.
अगर आपके पास पैशन है, आपके पास उस भूख है, तड़प है, जुनून है, and you have discipline, you can be wherever you want. So as I'm talking to the entire defense group, the Air Force, the Armed Force, and the Navy background, I remember a small story of Dr. Kalam. जैसे सर ने बताया कि यूपीएससी का एग्जाम देना है, लाइन में खड़े रहना है, उसी तरह से कलाम साहब भी एक जमाने में बचपन हुआ करते थे. He also used to stand in the queue. लेकिन वो एयरफोर्स ज्वाइन करना चाहते थे, पायलट नहीं बन पाए. His wish was to become pilot, but he could not become pilot. But see what happened. Hold on. So in life, we should hold on. There are better things in place. What happened later? वो तीनों आर्म्ड फोर्सेस के, तीनों पूरे डिफेंस फोर्स के गुरु बन गए, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया बन गए. देखो कहां से कहां, सुप्रीम कमांडर बन गए. तो आज अगर हमसे कुछ नहीं होता है, तो जैसे कोरोना टाइम पे आई थिंक देयर आर लॉट ऑफ मैसेजेस, हम लोग को ये नहीं कर पाए, वो नहीं कर पाए, बेटर डेज आर अहेड, होल्ड ऑन। ये एक मैसेज आई थिंक आप तीनों ने जो दिया है, वी शुड होल्ड ऑन फॉर सम टाइम, better days are ahead. Wonderful. And the final takeaway for the childhood and Diwali, एक मैसेज से मैं सुनना चाहूंगा कि one takeaway for all the champions who are waiting to hear you, sir. Vivek sir.
I would wish all the champions happy Diwali and tell them to continue this compassionate job, as you said, PhD. Thank you for giving us that word, PhD, and I'm very happy, and it's a take home for me also.
Fantastic, fantastic. Thank you, thank you. Bala sir.
Bala sir, your takeaway message.
Yeah, okay. Now to the champions and all others who are listening out, I'm going to just recall the message from Dr. Abdul Kalam, one of the greatest souls of this country, his greetings for Diwali to the people of India. He said, Diwali, Festival of Lights, is a celebration of victory of good over evil. On this festival, he asked people to come out with that passion, compassion for the needy, and also spare their time for the joy and happiness, to spread joy and happiness to people. When happiness goes from home to home, the society becomes happier and the nation becomes happier. Jai Hind.
Okay, thank you, Vivek, thank you, Bala. My message to all of you is that yes, we are so busy now connecting with the world, doing wonderful job, that we are neglecting the hen which lays the golden egg, that is you yourself. So Diwali is a great time to connect with yourself. Get into reflection, get into mantra. एक मेरी छोटी 2 लाइनें हैं, कभी अपने मोबाइल से मिलेनियम, कभी अपने मोबाइल से अपना नंबर घुमा के देखा है, एंगेज ही आएगा, नियमों का लेखा है। दूसरों से मिलने मिलाने में सब इतने मस्त हैं कि अपने आप से बात करने की सभी लाइनें व्यस्त। So my message for all of you champs is connect with yourself. Take a little pause, like a fighter pilot. He comes back into the crew room and he first fills the blue book, even before he has his breakfast. What has gone well in the last year and what could have been better. With this, a very happy Diwali with yourself. The best diya has to be within your own soul and your own heart. Good luck.
What a wonderful message. Fantastic. Connect to yourself and NSD. बहुत अच्छा टेकअवे आपने दिया है कर्नल सर। बहुत NSD मेरे दिल के करीब है। Never say die. Never. बहुत ही अच्छा मैसेज एंड thank you for making this Children's Day and Diwali Day a wonderful day. Wish you all and everyone who are watching a happy Diwali to everyone. Thank you so much, sir, for being part of this chat with Champ Show. Jai Hind, Jai Ho.
Happy Diwali and Jai Hind.